how to buy Doge Live token. Now this token came under the symbol of DOGEL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in Wars and crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see here, if you check this post, as you can see, now they will show you that this a new listing upcoming on the XT listing. So XT will list the Doge Live in the innovation zone memes. Deposit in the line on the March 3rd, 2025 UTC. Trading will be able on February 26, as you can see. So it's almost about 2 days from now. So, and withdrawal will be in the 9 on the March 3rd, 2025. So as you can see, until that time, go and create an account on XT and fund it with some USDT, and up to that date, go and you can buy this token and you can trade it and withdraw it after that. So this is how to buy Doge Live token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.